The Christine Khoury team wishes to welcome you to Meadowmont's newest and most beautiful offering. Murray Hill, a newly constructed row of stunning townhomes, is now available for purchase. The Christine Khoury team will be hosting an open house this Sunday, June 7th from 1 to 4 p.m. at 221 Meadowmont Lane. This gorgeous end-unit home has all the bells and whistles wrapped into an elegantly designed open floor plan. The home includes a private elevator, 10-foot ceilings, site-finished hardwoods, and so much more. A professional kitchen with 5-burner gas stove makes entertaining a breeze. Come see all that 221 Meadowmont Lane has to offer. Sunday, June 7th, 1 to 4 p.m. Visit ChristineKhoury.com or call 919-386-9332 to learn more.